nice enough to invite me to a tea party today. I didn't get footage of it because I was editing, but I got toast and strawberries and some other stuff. What you doing?
Cricut! Ooh, I'm bored. Can you grab the box, please? Ooh, Mark. Gosh, it's way bigger than I thought. I feel like big stuff. This color is so cool. Whoa. Look, you change it on here. Card stuff iron on. So cool. I love the color. Hold there.
Don't even begin these crickets. Laura, have hiccups? What is it? A bug?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, it's in the water. Where's that?
Spider?
I saw a spider. It's a fly.
Time to weed eat this yard, kids.
Aye, Captain.
Aye, Captain. First time using this.
I ate 2
That way.
watermelons.
Isla's chewing down some watermelon. It's satisfying. Alright, time to put this baby to use. As you can see back there, just go ahead and look at that
Our
line.
neighbors are mowing their lawn too.
Yeah, it's that time of year. Well, battery died. So I got like a quarter of the way done, but I can plug it in. Or I'll charge this and then go back at it, not sure, but
Star chip. Patrick Star.
For a second, I thought she only had cheese, and I didn't see that. I was like, what the?
well, you guessed it. Kids are in bed. Already had 1 cup of coffee and I'm going for number 2 in a second. It's been a pretty productive day, I guess. Got part of the yard weed-eated and then it died, so I put it on the charger and I'm just gonna finish it up tomorrow. It was getting kind of late anyway, so I came inside, had some dinner, hung out with the family. Raylan is still awake, not sure if you heard that, but just wrapping it up. Hope you guys had a great day. That's the last sunny day in a while here for us. I'm not sure about you, but here in the South Seattle area, that's what we're working with. But I hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we'll see you tomorrow.